Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technotech. Avinash here. Today's video is about understand switch statement in C#. So today's topic is basically into switch statement, where we can discuss what is conditional statement, when to use it, and understand with a practical example. So let's discuss what is switch statement and why we use it. So the first point is switch statement is used to move the program control to a specific case based upon the switch expression. Just understand this point, move the program control to a specific case. So it's move the program control to a specific case, not all the cases. So that is why this is much more faster, what we will discuss in the below points. In the second point, you can check, it checks only the condition equal to the switch statement, unlike if else. So here in if else case, what is happening? It will check each condition and then try to find it out whether it's true or false. But this case, it will check only that particular condition, unlike if else. So in third point, you can see it uses jump table, which makes switch statement faster over if else. So compiler used to create a jump table which jump to a specific case rather than checking each condition. So that's the reason why switch statement is preferable as compared to if else if there is more conditions are there. So in fourth point, when more condition is there in the program, we should prefer switch over if else. As I told in the previous point, that switch statement is preferable if there is more conditions are there. That is what the fourth point is. Let's move to the next slide, where I wanted to explain how the flow goes in switch statements. You can see start the program, then we input a value called age. Suppose a child has the age of 1, then this first condition will be true, then the message will be displayed. If the child has the age 2, then it will skip the first condition and go to the second condition, and your age is 2 will be displayed. And in the third condition, if the age is 3, then this third condition will be executed and a message will show your age is 3. And at the end, it will go to the end. So this is the flow for switch statement. Let's move to the next slide and understand the program practically, how we can write the program in switch statement. You can see the program written here. So let's go to the Visual Studio and we'll understand how we can write the program and how we can get the output for switch statement. Let's switch to Visual Studio and we'll see the program. Here I have created a class called switch check, and this is the main method, which is the entry point of the class. And because of the limit of time, I'm pasting the code for the switch. So in the first line, we can see I declared an integer variable called IH, and I printed a message called enter a number. So this message will be printed from starting onwards. Then I'm reading a age value. Then I'm passing that age value to the switch. Then based upon the condition, if age is 1, then this particular message will be printed. If age is 2, then this particular message will be printed. 3, this, or else default case this will be printed. So this is what the switch statement. Let's run and see what will be the output. I'm pressing the start button to run the application. Now it's asking enter a number, so I'm entering 1. So the first statement is printing. If I'll press other than 1, 2, 3, suppose I printed 56, so it's the default message is printed, you are not a child. So that's what the switch is working. Let's go back to the slide. So this is exactly the same program what I explained in my Visual Studio. So you can visit my blog and Facebook page displayed on the screen. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.